Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to this tutorial. I'll be teaching how to create a bank account in USA. Okay, so now we can use this account for ACH, wire transfer, direct deposit, or check deposit. Okay, you can also use the account to receive money. Okay, you can also use the account to register for online B2C accounts in USA, or you can use it to pay for ads. Okay, so now let's proceed to the method for creating this US bank account. Okay, so the bank account will be First Tech Fed. Okay, so you need to go to that website. First Tech Fed. You can see the link. You can do this on your mobile phone or your PC or Mac. Just ensure your IP is connected, or you have SOC 5 or equal VPN. Okay, just ensure you have a VPN connected. So once you go to the website, you're gonna see that the landing page. You're gonna see that, and then just make sure your IP address is good. Okay, it's very, very important. Your IP address has to be good. So now you need to click on become a member. Just scroll down on the first page, and you click on become a member. So once you click on that button, it's gonna take you to the next page of the application. So you wanna click join now. So you click join now, and then it's gonna take you to the next step of the application. Okay, so you just click continue at this point. Once you will see this notice, just click continue, and then so now this is where you put in the full information, or your personal information. Okay, so get the idea. Just put in your full information. You can get fools from any vendor. Okay, put all the information there. Put your personal email. Okay, use your own email address. You can also use a VoIP phone number. It doesn't necessarily have to be like everyone. Okay, so you just put all that and click continue. Okay, so once you do that, you're gonna see this next page. Click continue. You just follow the steps on the screen. Alright, so now you need to put in your SSN and your date of birth, and then click continue. Okay, alright, next step, you put in the address of your fools. Just put in your address. That's the next step. And short, put in the correct information. It's very vital for the application. So then so the next step, you need to put in all this information. So you can see I put retired, and then my previous employer. I don't want to tell you that, but you can actually use any information there. Okay, it doesn't necessarily matter. Okay, so you can see my previous occupation, clerk, and then I have my employment status as retired. Okay, so just follow the tutorial closely. You can actually put what I put, okay, in your own box, but just creative with it. Okay, but so you click continue from that page. So once you do that, you're gonna get to this next page. Then choose US citizen. Okay, choose US citizen. Choose US citizen. Okay, you can actually get full information from that link. You can see it's business.com. Low key. You just keep it low key. You can get full from that website. So we're creating a bank account, and you can use the bank account to get yourself some money. So just follow the steps on the screen and you'll be good. So once you've selected US citizen, you just put in your identification, put in your identification if you're using the license or state ID, okay, or whichever it is, in the government ID card anyways. So you just put in the information from your full or your personal ID card, and then in the next step you're gonna have to select no. Do you want to add another applicant? Okay, ensure you choose no there, do not choose yes. So no other applicants, just you or the sample you're using, then click continue. It will take you to the next page and then choose manual. Choose a manual to add account number, routing number. Choose a manual. So you have your bank log, okay, low key, you can actually choose played and just connect with the login details, but you choose manual, okay, it will still work. The method is currently working, so be sure to try it out. So yeah, you choose manual, or you can actually choose played and just put in your login, but I don't recommend that. So choose manual, just follow the instructions, and then you're taken to the next page, and then you put in the bank information you want to use. Okay, so you put in the bank name, the routing number, and the account number. Now basically there has to be like an initial deposit into the bank account, so that's the reason why you're giving them this information. So you select type of account is checking the savings, and then put $10. Okay, now that $10 would actually ensure that your application gets processed. Okay, so it's like an initial deposit, and once your account is open, you will see the balance on your account. Okay, so follow instructions. And do you want to enroll in overdraft protection? No. Then in the next page, you need to choose I agree. Okay, you will see a whole page of terms and policies. So choose I agree, and then you continue. Just scroll up. Scroll down rather, and then in the next page, choose opt out. Okay, you can see first tech reward check-ins, opt out. Okay, and then click continue. So you can actually tick for the debit MasterCard. You actually need the debit card. You just tick that and it will be mailed eventually. So now click on the box and then choose no. Okay, agree to the terms and then choose no. No, I am not subject to backup withholding. Okay. Alright, then you see this on the next page. Application will be processing, so it's going to tell you application under review. So thank you for submitting your application. An email is on the way with next steps. So you receive an email in the address you put at the beginning of the application. Okay, so application done and received. So you receive an email in the address you put at the beginning of the application. So, and then once your application is approved, you will receive this email that will say account successfully created. Okay, now basically at this point you just need to create yourself your online login so you can have online access to the account you have just created. Okay, so that's basically everything.